Alright guys, what's up everybody? Again, thanks everyone for subscribing to my channel. It means a lot to me. Today I felt like doing something different. I felt some seafood today, you know. So I said, okay, let me go to the fish market, because in my city every Wednesday we have a really huge fish market. So I decided to go to the fish market today and see if I could hopefully find some lobster. If I find a lobster, then I'm going to do some jerk lobster on the grill. So I'm now heading to the market. The market normally here, but they have a fair going on, I think until Sunday. So yeah, everywhere is filled with attractions, as you can see behind me here. And I will flip the camera on. So as you can see, everything is all filled up with attractions right now. And this is all around the city. So now I'm trying to find where the new location for the fish market. Hopefully if they have some lobster, we're going to do some jerk lobster on the grill. If not, I'm going to buy some gambi or gambaretti or shrimp. I'm going to buy that. And yeah, we're going to jerk some shrimp today. Or hopefully, fingers crossed, we can finally find a lobster. Because they have a special way we do it in Jamaica. Especially in the coast of Negril or Westmoreland. There we do it a lot there, and the main thing that we use on it, we make our own garlic sauce with it. Yeah, so really good at making that stuff now, thanks to my friend who taught me how to make the garlic butter. So yeah, so keep it locked to Escape TV, and thanks you for subscribing to Yaadie's Kitchen. See you soon. Alright guys, so now we got to the place to purchase some of the really good shrimp. So this is one of the fish shops that are here on the market square. See all this delicacy looking at this. Look at him, the big boss. Look at all these people. Fresh. Yeah, so today we'll be cooking this one. The one in the back, that's what we'll be cooking today. So now I just bought a kilo. Then we're going to go now to get some fresh vegetables. And then we're going to head back to the house, start preparing the grill, and get you cooking, yeah? See, she's taking good care of me. That's it for now, thank you. Alright guys, so see you soon again. Oh, welcome everybody. You don't know, this is Shay again, and welcome to Yaadie's Kitchen. And thanks for everybody who's been subscribing to Escape TV and supporting the thing, you know. It means a lot to me, because as I said, I'm not really big on the whole vlogging thing. I'm just trying something, and I'm doing what I love, which is cooking. So today I decided to visit the market in my city in Vermont, and went to the fish market. And I was like, yo, what should I cook today? It's my day off, so I need to do something for my fans, you know. So I said, you know what, I'll go and try something else. I'm going to do something a little bit out of the ordinary. I wanted to do a grilled lobster, you know, but I couldn't find a lobster, sorry. So I did something even better. I got some fresh shrimp and got it all cleaned up and ready for you guys. So today I'm going to grill the shrimp with of course natural herbs that I have at home, and also my little secret jerk seasoning. And then we're going to also grill some vegetables also. But the thing is that's going to make you even more excited to watch this video. This is what I'm going to be serving the dish in. My pineapple. Yeah, man. So we're going to slice this bad boy open, clean out the insides of it, drop it on the grill to get a little flavor going inside of it. You know what I'm talking about, yeah? Then we're going to put the shrimp on the inside and baste it with my special barbecue sauce. So everybody, stay tuned, because trust me, this one, you don't want to take your eye off of this video, I promise you, you know. And this is when you're going to want to try at home. And it's a very fast barbecue dish. So guess what? Keep it locked. Stay tuned. Alright, so here we have a shrimp already and clean up, already washed and everything. So now all I have to do is just put on the seasoning on it. And over here we have some fresh lettuce from the market also. See that? Fresh lettuce off of the farm, you know. Then here, of course you don't know, we have a salt here. We have my jerk seasoning here. I have some Cajun, sweet Cajun seasoning here. I have my garlic powder. And I have also some fish seasoning here. So I'm going to combine everything together, then throw it in this bad boy, and then we're going to cut up all the vegetables here, everything here, and then we're going to put all the babies on the grill. You get me? And this bad boy going to get some served up too. You see me? So everybody, just keep it locked and stay tuned, because I tell you, man, this dish is going to be amazing. It's going to be wicked. You're going to taste it through the phone, through your computer, any screen you're watching it on. So keep it locked. Alright, everybody. So say I add all the seasoning on the shrimp now. Well prepared up and thing. Ready to go on the kebab sticks them now and jump on the grill, yeah? So with this now, as I said, it's just a little recipe I'm trying for myself, you get me? Just a nice little recipe I came up with for myself. So I'm really excited to see how it's going to come out, like really excited for it. And of course I have my taste testers at the house. I have one of my friends, Jennifer, she's a cosplayer. And I have Anike, who is always here, she's like family. And of course I have Katia, my wife, who is going to do the presentation. So guys, stay tuned, and remember, like, share, subscribe. And if you want, you can always message me if you need me to give you like instructions on how to do my recipes, yeah? So respect again, everybody. Alright guys, look at that. Ready for the grill now. You see that? Woo! So beautiful. Yeah, man. Veggies up on the kebab stick them. My seasoned oil to baste the veggies with. Yeah. My grill temperature is where I need it. Oh my gosh, people. So let's get cooking. Let's get grilling. Time to eat. Alright now guys, so this is the important part now, yeah? So now we're going to load up the food on the barbecue. Okay now guys, so we're about to remove the shrimp from the barbecue. It's basically done now. So next I'm going to transfer it on the plate, and then we're going to add the barbecue sauce on top of it. And then we're going to put the pineapple on top of the fire for maximum 3 minutes, because you don't want to cook the pineapple. You just want the heat to like, so when you put the shrimp and the veggies inside of it, all the sugar gonna be released, you get me? So all the combination gonna be really nice, man. So stay tuned guys. Alright everybody, finally finished. So this is the final result. So it's jerk shrimp with homemade barbecue sauce. and served with grilled veggies and of course healthy salad. And we can't go without have a little cocktail on the side. So we use the remainder of the pineapple also with some frozen pineapple and Smirnoff vodka mix and a little bit of lime. So yeah, we have that too. Yeah. So this is the final result of everything. So now we're about to eat and have some, have a little vibes now with the food. So yeah, man. Thank you for subscribing to Yaadie's Kitchen. Thank you for subscribing to Escape TV and a lot more to come. Respect everybody. Out. Stay tuned.